Hi, this is Lisa with Xcellerated Nurse Aide Training. I'm going to show the skill pulse. All right, let's get started. I'm going to wash my hands. Wait for confirmation. Pause. Wait for confirmation.
Come in.
All right. She doesn't want to tell hello. Say it again.
Hello.
All right. Hi, Miss Annie. My name is Lisa. I'm going to be your CNA for the day. The nurse has asked me to do some vital signs on you. I'm going to take your pulse. Is that all right with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Before we get started, I'm going to do some safety checks, okay? First, I'm going to make sure your wheelchair is locked, and you can unlock it. Okay, can you unlock it?
Yes.
Good deal. All right. I'm going to get you your call bell and make sure it's within reach, and of course, I'm going to provide some privacy. There we go. There, it's within reach. I'm going to pull this door shut. I'm going to wash my hands because I touched all that equipment. All right, I have my paper here for pulse. If you look at it, it tells you what you need to do. It'll tell you how many pulses are, and you are the candidate, so you should sign the paper. Places where you would remember, because this is a part of the skill, it's documentation. If you do everything correctly and don't document, then it isn't done. So I'm going to place this near her so when I do my closing, I'll remember, okay? All right, Miss Annie, I'm going to place this right here so I don't forget to write it down. All right, you doing all right?
Yes.
All right, so that was equipment. I'm going to wash my hands again. All right, we're going to go ahead and start. And when you do pulses, you look for the radial. I'm going to put her gown or shirt up a little bit. You're going to look for the radial. Your radial is your thumb bone. If you take your finger, go down the bone, you'll feel it, and you slip your finger about the area of the wrist, and then you can adjust that pulse, okay? So I always hold it like this and find it. Do not use your thumb. Your thumb has a pulse, okay? You doing all right? Are you warm enough in here?
Yes.
All right. We're going to take your pulse, and it's going to be a minute that I'm going to be counting, okay? So there's going to be some quiet, okay?
Okay.
All right, and you're always going to tell your state moderator when you start and you stop. If you look at the clock, we're going to start when the red hand gets on 5, okay? And start. And you say stop. Okay? You okay, ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now that was a little awkward for a full minute. All right, let me wash my hands real quick, and then I'm going to document. I got 72 beats per minute. And I'm going to write 72 beats per minute, and then I'm going to sign my name. All right, that way I don't forget that. I'm going to wash my hands. That's equipment. All right, Miss Annie, we're all done. You all right? Do you need any water?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay? All right. I'm going to recheck your wheelchair. Make sure you can lock and unlock it. I'm going to make sure it's locked, which it is. And you can unlock it. All right. Good deal. All right. Your call bell is there on your left hand. And would you like the door open or shut?
Close is fine.
All right. We'll keep it shut when I step out. And that will conclude the skill pulse. But just don't forget to document, okay? So I've touched all that equipment. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll grab my paper, and you're going to bring that to the state moderator, and you're going to give it to them when you take your test, okay? All right, y'all have a good day, and thank you for watching.